This person ordered 2 pair, which these turned out great. I like them. Look like dude's a Browns fan. Sorry for him. And what up, YouTube? Thank you for tuning back into the channel. Coming back at you with another video.
Yes, sir.
Beard still ain't shaved, but it's all good. Your boy's off today. I might take care of that. You know what I'm saying? Things go on, get busy. You just let the beard go a little bit. Mine's don't really grow right here or right here, but it grows here and here. You just shape it up. You know what I'm saying? Do something with myself. I'm looking raggedy. Anyway, I got some socks going out. Let's get right into it real quick. Kanye's. These right here is going to Over the Years. My guy Tim. Hopefully wifey doesn't watch the channel because I believe he's getting these for Christmas. So Tim, tell her not to watch the channel, cuz you know what I'm saying? But I gotta do the video. Somebody sent me a picture of Takashi. I don't know what's up with that. Told me they wanted these done. For those y'all, these right here and these right here, these are just personal requests. I don't sell these, of course, on a all-time thing. Personal requests, and I do. People send pictures in, want me to do them, and that's why I do them. Tim sent a bunch of pictures in. I cropped them out and just kind of did a collage. He turned out pretty good, actually. Just like the Sandlot ones, personal request, and another Kanye personal request. These right here, I've been doing multiples of because people have been seeing me doing for other people and been wanting them, so I just been doing them. So those are the socks I got going out today. Still ain't done, man. I'm almost done with my Christmas orders. I'm catching up, trying to get done tomorrow. I got about, I don't know, probably another 10 pair, and then I'm gonna try to stop because I don't want to get to that point to where they might make it, they might not. USPS is crazy right now. So I got a couple things going on at the office. Don't know if I'm gonna take care of it today or tomorrow. Let's just see what happens with this day. All right, let's go. Next day, got some socks going out. Let's see what socks we got going out. All right, we got some dog ones. Like another collage. He sent me a bunch of pictures. These turned out to be great. Shout out to Kay for ordering these. I really appreciate this. These are actually youth size, and they turned out very good. Hope whoever you got them for likes them. Let me turn off my phone real quick. All right, the next pair, and I hope none of these people who watched the videos or something like that, because if these are for Christmas, I'm sorry, but this is what I do. All right, these are some. They sent me the logo basically. If this logo right here, and I put it all over socks. This person got 2 pair. Shout out to Sonya Loose. I really appreciate it. A pair of knee highs. Same thing here. Sent me a bunch of pictures of the dogs. The dogs were a little blurry, and I tried to, you know, the pictures were blurry, and I tried to make them look pretty good. It turned out good. So hopefully you like those. Another one. These are actually from Deidre. Shout out to Deidre. She wrote me a nice little message and really appreciate you. Thanks for everybody for watching the channel. I really appreciate this. Now these are not from all viewers. These are from some other people as well, but I get so many orders and I get different messages and stuff that I kind of, you know, can't read them all because the video will be long, but I really appreciate it. But she said that the person she's getting these for loves Taco Bell, so she got the Taco Bell dog. And she also ordered a shirt from your boy. Look at that. Look at that. Let me spread them out. You know, she ordered a shirt from your boy. Straight up. You understand what I'm saying? Straight up. So shout out to her for doing that. Pair of Muhammad Ali joints. Those are pretty nice. And here's some more. Custom face dog. She sent me a picture of the dog. I cut the dog's head out and put it on some Galaxy socks. It's pretty neat, right? And also got these. Full face, a full picture dog socks, and y'all seen those before. So yeah, that's all the socks I got going out. I gotta go over to the office. I only got like I think 2 things going out, which is still good. I'm still averaging about 2 to 4 things a day on my eBay, and I haven't listed on eBay in 2 weeks. I think I said so. That's pretty good. Made it to the office. Let me get some light in here. Some light. Got some poly mailers I brought over from the house. I got them delivered to the house instead of to the office this time. Got to switch the address to my office, and this is that old I don't know if y'all can see it. Let me I'm gonna take some pictures of this cooler. Put it on Facebook Marketplace. Haven't did that yet. Let's see. Old cooler right here. So heavy. Older model. It's not bad. So we're gonna do that. first, I got a patch going out. I put that on the screen right here. I already packed that. That was over it. And the other thing is this jacket right here. Got this at an estate sale. Oh, back in the summer sometime, I guess. I knew it would be winter before it sell. It's a LL Bean Marine Guide, made in USA. Nice, look like warm jacket. Started to keep it for myself, but I didn't. It actually came with a vest just like this. I sold the vest about a month ago, and now this sold. And it's actually sold for, I'll put on the screen, maybe $150, something like that. Great sale. Because I didn't get it, I got it for probably, I got a bunch of stuff at that auction, so I say I'm probably maybe $10 into it. So let's pack that up. I'm off today, got a couple things going on. Plan on going to the outlet, doing a little Christmas shopping, but if I see some you know, some deals, I might grab a couple. So if I do, I will show you guys, and let's just keep this going. I'm keep this going into tomorrow. You know, my videos lately been different. I've been going from day to day to day and just making a video because I'm not doing a lot of picking right now. I'm just listing and getting Christmas stuff out. So if you enjoy these type of videos, let me know. Different, but I think it's good. I like, me myself, I like to see people's process and what they do, and I'm kind of showing you what I do, lightweight. So anyway, enough of me babbling. Let me go and pack this stuff, get on out to the post office, get it shipped, and hit up some stores maybe. It's the next day. I really don't know what day it is because I've been doing multiple days with these videos. Just gonna just make some socks, as you can see by the previous section I just did. Let me show them to you real quick. All right, so made 2 pairs. Today is actually Sunday. Now, I had caught up. Everything was done. Didn't really want to make too many more socks because I knew people wouldn't get them before Christmas. But I've got like 4 more orders on Saturday and Sunday, which I had to email these guys and tell them, look, man, you're probably not gonna get your socks before Christmas. You may or maybe not. There's 2 options. You know, they have a priority auction and they have a standard auction. They keep picking standard. I'm not gonna send it priority. You have an option to go priority. That's on my website. You know, I got a priority option, I got a standard option, and they keep picking standard. So look, it is what it is. Even if you pick priority right now, there ain't no guarantee with the way shipping is. You understand what I'm saying? But anyway, let me go ahead and tell you. Y'all know how it is. The people who do this know what I'm talking about, and they're just kind of frustrated because I know how it is. It happened last year. I didn't get them before Christmas. Look, you're ordering 2 days before Christmas Eve. Come on now. Anyway, let's get into what's sold. All right, so I got a couple things going out on eBay, and only 2 things went out. I did shipping yesterday on eBay because I know, you know, I went out my way. I usually don't ship on Saturdays, but I shipped everything that I had to go out yesterday. Which, did I do what sold? I don't even know if I did that. But anyway, it was a couple more patches. So anyway, I got 2 patches going out. I'll put the prices on the screen because I don't know right now, and I'm on my phone. These 2 going out, pretty good price. I think one for like $29 and the other one's for like $12, something like that. Then I got 2 socks. This person ordered 2 pair, which these turned out great. I like them. Look like dude's a Browns fan. Sorry for him. And I think he's a viewer of the channel, man. I got a couple people. I don't have the note up right now, but if y'all, shout out to you for ordering. I really appreciate it. These turned out great, and I hope you like them, man, because these are Some dope socks. He sent me one picture of him and his son, he said, and then he sent the picture of the Browns hammer, and I kind of threw that in there towards the background. And then I got, this is an Etsy order, which I still have another order I have to do. This on one side says, we talking about practice. You remember AI, Allen Iverson saying that? We talking about practice. And then on the other one it says, practice make perfect. So, yeah, those are nice. I love those. I actually made these for my son a while back for basketball, and I went on and posted them on Etsy, and a couple people liked them because they started been buying them. So, shout out there. Speaking of my son, I just made a TikTok. He's on TikTok. He's 11 years old, and he likes Pokemon. And he picked a picture off, and look at these Pokemon socks, man. They turned out great. These are my son's, though. He loves Pokemon, so he's always wanting to make Pokemon socks, so I make it for him. Hopefully doing a little listing. So yeah, that's what I got going out. Also got something in the mail that I wanted to open. This is actually supposed to, well, just let me open it up real quick. Man, this doesn't look like what I ordered. This is supposed to be, it only says Sega Genesis. Did I order the wrong one? This is supposed to be a multi-outlet for all the systems, and it only sent me a Sega Genesis. It was supposed to be from a Nintendo. See, I got the Nintendo sitting over there. They sent me one for Sega. I got Sega. I think they messed up this order.
Oh, come on, man.
Thought I was gonna be able to show y'all something. I don't have any power cords from my regular NES over there. So I ordered one that was supposed to be multifunctional, where I could have hooked up the Sega and the Nintendo, the Super Nintendo, all that. But this is only for the, it says Sega Genesis Power 1 replacement. So they sent me the wrong one. I'm going to get on Amazon and see what's up. I've been dropping short videos. For those of y'all don't know what those are, I've been dropping videos that's like under a minute, vertical, you know, almost like TikTok videos, just to kind of talk about some of the situations that I go through. Some stuff don't require 10 minutes, you know, and YouTube was rolling out something called Shorts. It's not actually rolled out yet, but I've been making the videos anyway, and they gotta be under a minute long anyway. And people starting to like them and dig them, so I just keep doing them. So my last video, I was talking about this toilet seats that I got. They end up being used. I got them from an auction, and a lot of people was commenting, a lot of people was joking, talking about, how crappy it was, no pun intended, and stuff like that. Shout out to everybody. But one of the questions they got was, why didn't I donate the toilet seats to the Goodwill? And I think he was just joking, but if he wasn't, the reason why I didn't is because they was used, and something like that, I just don't feel like, I feel like you need to throw away. You don't want an old toilet seat. Then let me see how I'm gonna put this. See, I gotta be PG with y'all, you know what I'm saying? I was about to say something that was probably not PG, but you just don't want to send the Goodwill contaminated toilet seats. Just let me say that. All right, like, comment, subscribe. Y'all be good.